man? Welcome back to the channel. Today, man, I got an exclusive video. I got some video of the 2020 wide body Hellcat. Also in this video, we got a Scat Pack 2020 wide body. And before the video gets started, man, I want to give a shout out to Automotive Rhythms for the footage. All credit goes to them as far as the footage. We're just gonna react to the video. We finally get some information about the new Hellcat, all the differences from the 2019s. He basically go over a lot of stuff talking about the 2020 wide body Hellcat. So I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. Let's get right to the video. Let's go.
Powered by the 6.2 liter Hellcat supercharged Hemi, 707 horsepower, best in class in the production class for a family, so for a four-door sedan. Also made it to an 8-speed transmission. Different 8-speed than the Scat Pack, a higher torque capacity, obviously, for the additional power. It also maintains the fastest top speed for a production sedan at 196 miles an hour. We dropped a little bit from the narrow body. Obviously, the additional drag of the wide body does that. Brakes are the same as what we talked about in the Scat Pack. Big 6-piston Brembo's in front and 4 pistons in the rear. Again, massive braking power needed for such a powerful car, as well as the fade resistance for laps. Suspension changes, I mentioned, they're a little bit different than what we had on the Scat Pack. This car actually is 38% more front spring rate. Significant change in front spring rate. And we also changed the bars in the front and the rear. So front sway bar went from 32 hollow to 34 hollow, rear went from 19 hollow to 21.7 hollow. 18% stiffness change in the front, 52% stiffness change in the rear. Also comes equipped with the adaptive Bilstein suspension, street sport and track modes. Big change in the valving on this as well. Really nice balance though between street sport and track. Again, when you're in sport mode, you're still getting a nice, or when you're in street mode, sorry, you're still getting a nice 40 ride, but it's a very compliant ride. And when we do track mode, we are really, really focused on getting as much grip out of the tires as we possibly can. It's very clear that it's a very firm ride. First time available on the Charger Hellcat is EPS, electric power steering. Get the 3 modes with that as well. But we didn't stop there with the tuning on the car. Mark mentioned a different spoiler on the back. There is a unique spoiler on the back. We wanted a unique look, but we also wanted a little more performance. We got 30 counts of rear downforce on the new rear spoiler. And then in the front, on the bottom side, underneath the fascia, there's a short air dam, there's some tire spats, and then there's also brake ducts underneath. You gotta really get down on the ground to see them. Those 3 pieces dropped front lift by 40 counts. Another nice change in front lift. So a really nice balance aerodynamically from the front to rear. Again, what does it all mean for performance? Because that's what it comes down to. 0 to 60 in quarter mile drop to 1/10 of a second, 3.6 seconds and 10.96 seconds. So we have a stock car that's in the 10s now in street tires, 3-season tires. Braking distance dropped 4 feet, 111 feet to 107 feet from 60. And skid pad went from 0.90 Gs to 0.96 Gs. Another significant change on the skid pad. We put all that together on a lap on a 2.1 mile track, and we get 2.1 seconds per lap faster, 13 car lengths per lap faster.
What's the G number again?
0.96. The changes on these 2 cars aren't subtle. You guys will notice these changes, steering responsiveness. You'll notice these on the street, and you're really going to notice the drive out power when you come back in the afternoon on the track.
So that was just a brief video, man, kind of talking about some of the differences from the 2019s and, you know, the previous Hellcats to the wide body Hellcat. They also got some footage. It's kind of showing the some rolling footage of the wide body. So let's see if we can, let's get into some of that footage. Let me go to their actual channel. I know it's been, if you're new to the channel, man, every now and then I do videos like this, just kind of from my house, just reacting to certain videos that I might come across. And I appreciate everybody joining the channel, man. I got a lot of stuff coming. Me and Carlito got a lot of things going on. So stay tuned, man. Tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your auntie to subscribe to Hemi Muscle, man. Okay. Got the white with the blue stripe wide body. That look like a Scat there. Got the octane red, indigo blue wide body. What else we got? Torrid red wide body. That's a Hellcat. Oh yeah. I put it there go to Daytona. That don't look mean. Okay, we got the silver Hellcat wide body. Alright, yeah. Again, shout out to Automotive Rhythm, man. Go subscribe to their channel. So that's pretty much it, man. I just want to give y'all some footage, man, of the 2020 Hellcat Widebody. I know it's not much out there, so when I came across this, y'all know I gotta share it with you. That's what I do. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I got a lot more stuff coming, man. I just wanted to do a short video showing that footage. If this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.